Hi, thanks for tuning into my video today. Today's video is about Dollar Tree Instant Whitening Pen. When I saw this, I said I have to do a review on this product. Today, my daughter's also going to be in the video with me. Let's go. Stop. You gotta be able to where they can see you. No, please cut it out. My daughter, okay, we're trying to start this. I cough. Nowadays, you cough and people just go crazy because it's coronavirus. I mean, you should have, I wish I could have caught it how she was just acting. But tell me what we're doing this video today, Mom.
We're doing Reach. Mine's already open.
Yeah, so yours already open? Oh, she already opened hers. Okay, so this is an instant. I can't even talk. I'll bleep that out. Let me start. Wait. Wait. This is an instant whitening pen. Okay, it's kind of early, and I only didn't have 3 hours of sleep, y'all, and I'm up doing this. So I'm like, come over so you can see. Yeah, so it's an instant white pen. It's from Reach Essentials. And guess where we got this from? I don't know if it's going to work. I hope it does work. But we got this from the dollar store. And I could not believe it was at the dollar store. So we're just going to try it out and see how it works. It says that it starts whitening as quick as the first day. So we'll be using this and taping little clips each day to see the difference in our teeth. Okay. And it has all the directions on the back. The first thing that you're supposed to do is brush your teeth. So we both just brushed our teeth. And so now we're going to get right into this. Alright. You ready, Anaya? Mm-hmm. I'm scared. You go first.
You go first.
No, I don't want to go. You go first. Go ahead.
Yeah, I guess this one go first.
Okay, let's make sure we're doing this right. For best results, brush your teeth with regular toothbrush and toothpaste. We did that. Remove cover and twist clockwise until gel appears. Paint gel onto a entire front surface of each upper tooth you wish to whiten and let dry. So we're just going to be at the top of our tooth by the gum line is where they're saying to do it. Wipe off excessive gel from gums and lips. So we don't want to get it on our lips and we don't want to get it on our gums. Avoid eating or drinking for 30 minutes. I'm going to have to do mine later. I'm hungry. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. No, we can't eat for 30 minutes though. Alright, so we're going to take this out. And then you got to turn this. See how you hear it clicking? I don't see no gel yet. Oh, I think I see it coming up. See how it's like white at the top? And let me see if y'all can see. It's white at the top and it's like beige at the bottom. I don't know if that's going to come up on camera. But we're going to see. Nope. You got gel? Ain't no gel coming out of this thing. Maybe, oh, there it go. Okay. There go the gel. See that bubble popped up? When it comes up, you'll know it comes up. Okay, I'm going to look at y'all and do this, okay? So I'm all in the camera with my teeth, but we're just going to do the arch by where the gum, I don't know how much you have to turn it. Do the arch right by the top of your teeth. And wipe off any excess that I got on my lip. So if it gets on your gums, if it gets on top of your gums or your lips, then you need to wipe it off. How it feel, Mama?
Cold.
It's cold? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, in 30 minutes, we're going to come back. I don't like the way it tastes, though. I'm going to be honest. You taste it? Wait till you start trying to talk.
You're not supposed to taste it.
It's not good, y'all. Okay. But we'll be back in 30 minutes. Want me to help you? You still putting yours on? I can help you. Want me to put it? I can do it with my finger. I'm not funny. I thought it was funny. I'm going to put a little extra. This teeth a little bottom, yellow at the bottom.
Do it actually too?
Okay.
Do it actually too?
No. Y'all just laughing at me. My daughter's laughing at me because I almost didn't have my bonnet on. Y'all do not want to see me without my bonnet, but I'm doing a hair video right after this. Y'all do not want to see me without this bonnet. Matter of fact, I have 2 bonnets on. It's bad under here, but we're going to work that out. Alright, so our time is up. Scoot over now. Our time is up, and it has now been 30 minutes since we put it on our teeth. So we are going to take another picture to see and compare the before and after pictures of both of our teeth to see if this has worked for the first time. You got something you want to say? You got something you want to say? Tell them about it. Well, how does it? I can tell you one thing. You get a lot of spit in your mouth. It's a lot of saliva in your mouth, like constantly. Like you want to spit right now, don't you? Be honest. I know. I do too. Yeah, it makes a lot of spit in your mouth. Sorry. I'm sorry. I can't help it. They like when I be myself. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and take those pictures, y'all. So we just viewed our before and our after picture, and what do you think about yours?
I think it got lighter a little bit.
Yeah, I think it did too. Mine did too. It wasn't like, oh my gosh, it's a drastic change. But I did take a before and after picture, and then I screenshot both of them in my phone so I could just go back and forth to both of them right beside each other. And when we did that, we did notice a change. When we just looked at it on our own, we're like, nothing changed. But putting both pictures right beside each other, and I will put that somewhere in this video or at the top, somewhere it will be in this video. Then you can see the difference. There is a difference. So we're going to continue to use this, and I'll probably do an update on how this product right here, the Reach, do I have it upside down? I do. The Reach product, how it works, and if it's working for us still, and if we keep getting more results on top of the ones that we already got. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you want to try it, you can find this at your local dollar store. I felt like it was worth a try. And make sure you like, subscribe, share, and all those great things. Until next time, bye.